Ooh, I can't say I'm not a little bit nervous, especially because it's a little bit foggy. If you look around here, it's a bit ominous, a bit of an ominous morning, and I am afraid of heights.
I'm just wondering how we're gonna do this, but I know we're gonna do it, so. I've played in some pretty dangerous clubs before. We'll see how this is. Danger that way, so we'll go that way. Just don't go that way.
This is how you get to a gig, Todd.
Cam's gonna give you all a quick passenger briefing, just show you how the doors and everything else works, and then we'll be ready to go. I'm just gonna do it.
All right. Down and open. And you don't need to slam them like a car door, they'll just break. And you'll all have a headset on.
So what do you do if you're gonna puke?
We do have sick bags, so it's gonna be awkward for the guys in here because they're underneath the drum kits.
Todd, if you're gonna puke, just puke and spew into here.
Right. Jared, the hands.
So we're gonna be heading from Abbotsford Airport here. Gonna be heading straight north, going up to Stave Lake. And I got a couple different options of where we're going depending on what the weather's looking like up there. All right, check. Everybody can hear me okay?
Gotcha.
Good morning, Echo Alpha Kilo is on the ground. FBC helicopters requesting a northwest departure.
Echo Alpha Kilo from BC helicopters, take off your discretion. Clear to cross runway 19 and outbound by the northwest route.
That is such a wild feeling. Oh my word. That's so awesome.
Great with the fog.
Yeah, nice, eh?
Beautiful.
Yeah, so if we go to the upper spot, it's like 4,000 feet. The lower spot is only around 800 feet. But the lower spot, there's no snow, which is going to make it nicer for just working stuff, working conditions.
Yeah.
It's going to be much warmer. And the view is absolutely spectacular.
Awesome.
It's fantastic with the trees poking through like that.
It's amazing,
incredible.
isn't it? Yeah. Hi, Tower, it's Echo Alpha Kilo. We are clearing to the northwest.
Echo Alpha Kilo, thanks. Surveillance terminated, clear to remain.
Echo Alpha Kilo. Looks like a fun little rainstorm in front of us there. Hopefully it's a short little patch.
Surrounded by waterfalls.
Yeah, it's incredible, isn't it? It's really hard to beat this spot.
All right, so everyone always asks us why we do these types of shoots. You know, I've been on the hills of Germany, I've been in Switzerland, we've been in Japan doing crazy stuff with taiko drummers. And really, I think when you boil it all down, we do this to hopefully honor and inspire drummers. The drummers of today and the drummers to come. I think when it comes to choosing to play drums, it's this thing that dominates an entire room in your house, maybe 2 rooms. Drummers will actually choose vehicles based off of, will this hold my drum set? So when you think about coming out here, taking 2 helicopters, by the way, big thanks to Misha from BC Helicopters, we take these 2 beautiful helicopters out to this gorgeous mountain in the middle of beautiful BC. It's really to honor drummers. We haul this drum set up here, it's raining, the drum set's currently tarped while we kind of wait for the weather to pass. But really it's to say thank you to all of you. I hope you all enjoy it. I hope you can share it with your friends and help spread the word, because what we really need is to inspire more drummers. Inspire the drummers of today to continue playing, continue practicing, and inspire the new drummers of tomorrow. Victor, do you want Todd up here now or what?
Well, no, not until we're ready to go.
You want hand warmers?
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah. It said it takes 15 to 30 minutes.
I just heard something go bloom.
Please put your seatbelts on.
Yes.
Guys are strapped and ready?
this show on the road. Slingshot to outer space. Here comes the human race. We want it. No one has ever flown into the great unknown. We need it. Feel that pressure. Break through the atmosphere. Then we'll be gone, gone, gone. Light it up. Let's get this show on the road.
We are all born with the same potential. It's just up to us what we do with the drive and how we spend our time and how we commit to what we want to do and what we want to become. When I was growing up, I never felt like I was wasting any time playing the drums. It was what I loved to do the most. And when you work on something like a musical instrument, that's a noble pursuit. That's a noble effort with your time as a human being alive on this planet with this one life that we get. So if you're enthusiastic about music and you're enthusiastic about the drums, the word enthusiasm comes from the Greek enthos, which means the God within, which tells me that that's the universe's way of saying you're right. You are right to want to spend your time here. You're right to look at drum catalogs and look at things online and study and watch videos. So you can study with me here at Drumeo with the Rock Drumming Masterclass, a 26-week course where every week you'll get a new streaming lesson with new ideas, new grooves, new ideas for the hands, new things to think about how you're going to approach music. And I'll coach you along the way. I'll guide you, you'll be able to write me, and we can do this together. So click on the link below and let's get started together.
All right, so this is Misha from BC Helicopters, and I just wanted to give him, number one, a huge shout out for getting us here. This has just been absolutely incredible.
Yeah, it's been awesome having you guys.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So tell me a little bit, just to start, about what you do here at BC Helicopters.
Yeah, so I own BC Helicopters with my brother and my wife. We bought it back in 2008, so about 10 years ago now. And we're a flight school, so we teach people how to fly, and you guys teach people how to drum, so it's pretty cool.
That's why I thought it was great how we connected, because I'm passionate about drumming, he's passionate about flying, and now somehow we wound up here with Todd, the drum set on the side of the mountain. So
it's awesome.
You also have a YouTube channel where people can check out some videos that you're uploading from.
Exactly, yeah. So if you guys want to check out Pilot Yellow on YouTube, I do all kinds of awesome videos on teaching how to fly helicopters and then just crazy stuff. We just got back from a trip around the world, so we spent 96 days and flew around the world, so that was pretty awesome. If you guys want to check that out too.
Awesome. Well, thanks again for getting us here. It's been rainy and cold, but it's also been the most epic shoot.
That's what makes it BC and so beautiful, right? I mean, look at the surroundings we have here. So